What looked like ordinary convenience store, what seemed like harmless gaming machine, well, it has now turned into serious criminal case shaking parts of Missouri. And at the center of this controversy, four Indian origin business owners. Let's talk about the moment authorities stepped in. Well, law enforcement officials in Dunklin County began investigating what they suspected was illegal gambling activity operating quietly inside local shops. These were not any large casinos, no flashy gambling centers. These were regular neighborhood stores where customers could allegedly access gaming machines promising cash rewards. And that caught the global attention. In fact, after that, the county prosecutor, Nicholas Jain, he announced felony charges against four Gujarati origin business owners, Janak, Pranav, Parekh, and Sandeep. Authorities claimed that these individuals they were running gambling style machines, specifically those machines that violate Missouri state law. And in the US, gambling regulations are extremely strict and very different state to state. Cross those legal boundaries and penalties could become very serious for you. What exactly were these machines? Well, according to investigators and Missouri Attorney General's office, the businesses they were allegedly operating video lottery style terminals, fishing table arcade games that reportedly allowed players to win money. And now, here's where things get more complicated. Some gaming machines look like harmless entertainment devices. But if they involve betting money and awarding cash prizes, they can legally be classified as gambling equipments. And operating them without proper approval can lead to felony charges. In fact, multiple businesses are under scanner right now. Authorities say that this was not limited to just one store. At least a total of 5 businesses are reportedly involved here. These shops were located in two small Missouri towns, Connect and Malden. Both towns are relatively quiet communities where such cases quietly become major local news. In the end, you know why this case is so serious? Because felony gambling charges in the US can carry heavy consequences here. They can lead to multiple things, including large financial penalties, possible prison sentences, business shutdown, immigration complication for foreign-born owners as well. And that last point makes the situation specifically sensitive for immigrant entrepreneurs, specifically for Indians. So, what happens next? Only time will tell.